Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today filming a really exciting box that I got. I purchased this a few weeks back, but I just didn't have time to actually open up the box and show you what everything is inside of it. So I got a order from Dose of Colors and I'm pretty excited. I have two of their liquid lipsticks that I've had for a very long time and they are absolutely stunning. So I'm really excited to open up this box and show you guys what's in the inside. It says Happy Holidays, and then in the inside it's got a bunch of stickers. Really exciting. This is the stickers from Desi and Katie, and just a bunch of little inserts from different products that are in here. Desi and Katie, and the Snow Angels palette collection. Set the Tone cream matte eyeliners in Hit the Road is one of the inserts. This is on the back side. Really awesome that they're cruelty-free, gluten-free, and paraben-free. And then here is the last one. It says, "Thank you for shopping at doseofcolors.com. We appreciate your business and hope you enjoy your new items." And that's what the back of that card looks like. And then, of course, my list of order. So let's dive into the box. I am really excited. I picked up everything with the 40% off for the Black Friday sale. And this is how it is wrapped. This is super pretty. It's got a little bow and then it says Dose of Colors on the paper. And everything in the inside is really nicely wrapped as well. I'm just taking everything out of the bubble wrapping. So I got two of the liners, Shady and Hit the Road, and these unicartons are super cute. And then the name is on the top, and this is what the packaging looks like, and on the back. And then this is the Hit the Road shade, which I am really excited to use a look for this. And then in the top of the package it says, "Tighten caps securely after each use to prevent drying," because they are liquid. And then this is Shady, just a black. Maybelline gel liner one that I do have is really old and very dry. Next I got were two eyeshadows, the Marvelous Mauves and Snow Angels. Now I know that the Marvelous Mauves have been around for a very long time, and there's a couple other palettes too, but this is one that kind of stood out to me the most. And this is what the packaging looks like. And then this is what the shades look like. Really, really pretty. And then this is the back with all the names. And they're cruelty-free, paraben-free, and talc-free. The second palette I got is the Snow Angels. This is what the packaging looks like. Very, very cute. Really nice for traveling, they feel like. And then this is what this palette looks like. Definitely calling my name right there. Back of the palette for the names. And then I got 4 liquid lipsticks, between lipsticks and lip glosses, and I am really, really excited. So one of the first liquid lipsticks I got was Stone. This is what the unicarton looks like. Has the name right there, and then it also has it labeled right there. Is a liquid matte, and the classic packaging for the liquid lipsticks, and then the name right there. This shade has been around for a long time, but I just never got to pick it up. And that's what that shade looks like. Very pretty. Definitely up my alley. I'm really excited. Next one is Desert Suede. This one's a liquid matte packaging. And the name. And this one is a lot more of a brown shade. Stone is more of the pink. And then Desert Suede. And then the next one is from the Desi and Katie collection. This is what the box looks like. And it has Desi Perkins and Lustrelux or Katie. And this is the package for this one, or the tube, like the rose gold. Very awesome. And then this is the shade Savage. Very, very dark shade. And that is Savage. Super pretty. And then the last liquid product that I got for lips is, this is the box, new box. Must be the new collection or a redo of the boxes. And this is the bottle. It is a lip gloss. It is the over the top. Oh, yes. This is so pretty. And that is, you can barely see it, but it is a gold topper. I'll put it over the top of the middle lipstick just so you can kind of see what it looks like. And this is over Desert Suede, so it gives it like a gold look to it. Very pretty. Can't wait to give this guy a try. So I already do have my face done already, because I did not get any new face products, but I did get a new brush, and I actually got a couple brushes. This is from Smith Cosmetics, and it's the 115 foundation brush, and my foundation looks stunning. I did spray it with some setting spray already, but wow, I put on the Hourglass Stick Foundation, and it definitely looks very, very nice and blends it out really nice. I got a couple other brushes as well from Smith Cosmetics. I finally got my hands on the Smith 230, the Smith 232, and the last brush that I got is the Smith 253 brush. I'm going to be able to play with these guys today. I've had them for a while sitting on my vanity, but I did not try them. So I'm going to wipe off the swatches that I did, and we are going to play with the two new eyeshadows from Dose of Colors. So I'll be back.